Your first 5 minutes with a lead is worth thousands. Real Estate CRM pricing in 2026 ranges from $25 to over $1,000 monthly, depending on features and team size. Entry-level platforms like LionDesk start at $25.49 and handle basic tracking. Mid-market options like Follow Up Boss run $69,833 monthly and add AI prioritization. Wise Agent, Forbes' 3-time pick, starts at $49 monthly. But here's the thing. The cheapest CRM rarely saves you money. Most agents spend $1,200 to $3,600 yearly on infrastructure alone. The real cost is slow response time. Responding within 5 minutes makes you 21 times more likely to qualify a lead than waiting 30 minutes. Pick your CRM based on speed and data depth, not price. Real estate CRM software isn't optional anymore. It's the difference between closing deals and losing them. 73% of top producing agents use a CRM to manage their pipeline, compared to just 41% of non-top agents. That gap isn't small. It's the gap between a 6-figure income and struggling to hit quarterly targets. The pricing spread exists because CRMs serve different workflows. Some are contact managers with basic automation. Others are full-stack platforms that integrate lead sources, scoring, follow-up sequences, and team analytics. Most agents think CRM cost is just the monthly subscription. Wrong. According to Goliath Data research from 2026, the hidden infrastructure cost, integrations, training, database hygiene, lead sources, runs $1,200 to $3,600 yearly on top of the base fee. The smarter question isn't how cheap can I go? It's how fast does this tool close my leads? AI lead scoring is the mechanism that separates CRMs that work from CRMs that sit idle. Here's how it functions. The system ingests data on every lead: source, engagement history, property details, borrowing patterns, and assigns a probability score for conversion. Agents then prioritize calls on the highest scoring leads first. This sounds simple. It's not. Traditional CRMs force agents to chase every lead equally, burning time on unlikely closes. AI-powered systems like those Goliath Data integrates reduce time spent on low-probability leads by 30 to 50%, according to their 2026 research. That efficiency feeds directly into conversion rates. Agents who focus on qualified leads improve their lead-to-close conversion rate by 25–40%. Why? Because fewer wasted calls mean more energy on prospects who actually buy. Mid-market platforms like Follow Up Boss, $69,833 monthly, include AI prioritization in their base offering. The system learns from your close patterns and surfaces the exact lead type you convert best. Lower-tier CRMs like Wise Agent, $49 monthly, offer basic contact management but lighter AI filtering. CINC sits at the premium end, more expensive than all top picks, but bundles buyer leads directly into the pricing. The mechanism works because it removes human guesswork. Data drives the call stack. Goliath Data's signal logic runs this calculation on every property in real time, so your next call is statistically the highest probability conversion in your queue. Setting up a real estate CRM correctly takes 5 distinct steps. Miss any one, and you'll abandon the tool within 3 months. Step 1. Choose your platform based on response time architecture, not price alone. Jamil Academy's 2026 benchmarks show that teams obsessed with speed implement CRMs with mobile alerts and one-click follow-up sequences. If the CRM doesn't notify you in under 60 seconds of a new lead landing, it fails the speed test. LionDesk, $25.49, passes this test for solo agents. Follow Up Boss, $99 to $149 per user, team pricing available, is built for speed. Test the notification speed before signing the contract. Step 2. Map your lead sources into the system. Most agents bring in leads from MLS, paid ads, referrals, and repeat clients. Each source needs a distinct intake channel so the CRM tags and routes leads correctly. Key Technology's 2026 research shows that agents who properly source tag their leads score them 40% more accurately. Spend 2 hours here, it compounds. Step 3. Build your follow-up sequence. Wise Agent, at $49 monthly and Forbes approved 3 years running, offers template sequences for different lead types. Use them. Don't try to be creative. The data wins. Automate initial touch, first objection response, and re-engagement timing. Zipdo's 2026 data shows that structured sequences increase response rates by 31% over ad hoc calling. Step 4. Train your team on daily standoff. Every agent logs in each morning, checks their lead queue sorted by AI score, and calls the top lead first. No exceptions. This single habit compounds fastest. Agents who follow AI prioritized queues see a 21x conversion lift within 5 minutes versus teams that ignore the score. Step 5. Review metrics weekly. Track leads in, conversion rate by source, and average time to close. Most CRMs include dashboards. Use them. Goliath Data's 2026 framework recommends reviewing these 3 metrics: source quality, speed to lead, and conversion velocity. Adjust your lead sources quarterly based on which channels feed the highest scoring prospects. Here's how a mid-market real estate team actually implemented a CRM and saw their conversion rate climb. An investor team in Texas was managing 150 leads per month but closing only 6, a 4% conversion rate. They were using a spreadsheet. No alerts, no follow-up automation, no scoring. Leads landed, they called when they remembered, and 96% went cold. They switched to Follow Up Boss at $149 per user for their 4-person team. Total monthly cost, $596. They mapped their lead sources, MLS, paid Facebook ads, and referrals into separate intake channels. Within the first week, they noticed the AI scoring surface only 15 to 20 leads per person per day as high probability closes, a huge change from the raw 150. The system scored high probability leads based on loan approval likelihood, neighborhood activity, and historical close patterns in their area. Their speed to lead improved dramatically. The first call now happened within 3 minutes of lead intake, not 3 days. Why? Follow-up Boss mobile alerts meant leads hit their phones in real time. The team was calling hot prospects before competitors. In month 3, their conversion rate jumped to 8.2%, a 105% lift from 4%. They were closing 12 deals per month instead of 6. At an average commission of $6,500 per close, that's an extra $39,000 monthly revenue. Their CRM cost them $596 per month. The ROI was 6,550% in the first quarter. But here's the hidden number. They spent $400 the first month on paid lead sources and burned 60% of them because response time was poor. Once they moved to a real-time CRM, their cost per close on paid leads dropped 44%. Goliath Data's 2026 analysis of pipeline velocity shows this pattern across all teams. When speed to lead drops below 5 minutes, cost per close on paid leads falls 40 to 50%. This Texas team proved it. The CRM wasn't an expense, it was a 65-cent revenue amplifier. 4 mistakes kill most CRM implementations. Mistake 1, choosing a CRM based on price alone. Agents pick the $25 platform to save money, then realize it has no mobile alerts and no API integrations. They abandon it after 2 months. The savings vanish. They lost $50 in fees and wasted 20 hours learning a dead tool. The rule: choose CRM speed first, then price. A $99 monthly platform with 3-minute alert time beats a $25 tool with 30-minute lag every single time. Key Technology's 2026 research confirms this. Agents who swap from cheap to mid-market CRMs see a 3.2x improvement in lead-to-close velocity. Mistake 2. Not mapping lead sources correctly. Agents dump all leads into one generic inbox. The system can't tag them. AI scoring breaks. Follow-up sequences don't trigger. The agent manually chases 150 leads per month and closes 4. This is CRM theater. Fix it by spending 2 hours in month 1 categorizing every lead source. Jamil Academy's 2026 benchmarks show proper source mapping improves lead quality scoring by 40%. Mistake 3. Ignoring the lead queue. Agents keep their old calling habits and check the CRM's AI prioritized queue as a secondary tool. They lose the 21x conversion advantage of speed to lead. The stat is real. Jamil Academy measured it across 2,100 agents. Agents who follow the queue see 21x more conversions within 5 minutes. Those who ignore it, no lift. The rule is harsh. Trust the AI or waste your CRM investment. Mistake 4. Never reviewing metrics. Agents pay for a CRM but never open the dashboard. They don't know which lead sources convert best. They don't track speed to lead or cost per close. Zipdo's 2026 analysis found that teams reviewing metrics weekly improve conversion velocity by 31% in the first quarter and 58% by month 6. Teams that ignore metrics stall at their baseline. Here's the rule that matters. Pick speed and data over price, then trust the algorithm every single day. Your best CRM is the one you'll actually use. Link in the description for the full pricing breakdown and a free CRM comparison tool.